Here are the steps for installing self-adhesive reinforcement membranes at drains and vents. Begin the installation by placing a piece of reinforcement membrane measuring 36 by 36 inches or 920 by 920 millimeters in the center of the drain at a 45-degree angle and trace the outline with chalk. Apply the primer with a roller on the drain or the vent plate and continue on the base membrane, leaving at least 1 inch or 25 millimeters for welding. The reinforcement membrane should be installed as quickly as possible once the primer is dry and no later than 2 to 3 hours after its application. Install the reinforcement membrane around the drain or the vent and gradually remove the silicone film. Apply pressure on the whole surface with a membrane roller to ensure complete and uniform adherence. Weld the termination of the reinforcement membrane and around the drain or the vent with a hot air welder and a membrane roller to complete the installation. This installation is now complete.